Welcome to Local Traders Peer-to-Peer Crypto Exchange. In this guide, we will show you how to easily reset your account password. Step 1. Visit the password reset page. Go to www.localtraders.finance/forgotpassword or click here to access the password reset page. Step 2. Choose a recovery method. Select your recovery method, email or phone. Enter your email address or phone number and click Continue. Step 3. Receive your verification code. You will receive a 6-digit verification code or reset link sent to your chosen recovery method. Please note, if you receive an email, it will come from noreply@localtraders.finance. Step 4. Be cautious of phishing. Make sure the email address is noreply@localtraders.finance. If it's different, disregard it and report it as phishing. Step 5. Enter the code and reset your password. Follow the instructions provided in the email or enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone. Once verified, enter your new password and confirm it. Important security notice. For your protection, please note that withdrawals of all types will be suspended for 48 hours after you reset your password. This temporary suspension is a security measure to protect your account. Step 6. You're done. Congratulations! Your password has been successfully reset and you can now access your account again. Need help? If you experience any issues or have questions, our customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Happy trading!